if you're having this problem that I have, where when you try and play a YouTube video on your Roku TV, it doesn't do anything, but when you play a different video, it's fine. It's basically, I think it's the quality of the YouTube video. So what you have to do is you have to go into the other video, which works, then go into the quality, and then just drop it to like 720 or 480. And then if you go back into the video which doesn't work, it will play again. And I think basically what's happening is our TVs can't work on the higher quality, but for some reason YouTube isn't like fixing that for us. So you have to go into another video, drop the quality, and then unfortunately you have to just watch the video in this quality, but I guess it's better than nothing. But yeah, if you're having this issue, that's one way to fix it.